Hey there, my fellow jewelry enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel, Memory Lane by Marie, and I'm Marie. If this is your first time joining me, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning visitor, thank you for returning. I hope you are a subscriber. If you are not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you'll know when something new has been uploaded. That being said, I think we can see today, you guys, that we're going to be dealing with Potomac's Bead Box. This is going to be an unboxing, and I like Potomac Bead Box. They have a lot of interesting beads in different shapes and sizes that you don't normally see in some of the regular bead boxes. However, many of them are small, and I think they cater to people who like to weave more, unless you don't mind stringing some smaller beads. With that being said, we're going to look at May's Potomac Best Bead Box, and the theme for it is Seaside Zen. It says, take some time for yourself this month and sit by the ocean with your beads. Focus your breathing and find how your inner peace. Let me start over. Focus your breathing and find your inner peace in hues of cerulean jade, and gold. This is your chance to slow down and obtain calming with this month's Seaside Zen Best Bead Box. Namaste. All right, you guys. And so, as is appropriate, they have a bracelet in here in their special project bag called the yoga bracelet, and I like that. I've said before how I really appreciate how the special project components are in their own little separate bag. You don't have to try to figure them out. And so I want to start with it because it actually caught my eye. I think it's really, interesting and summer-like. It has some starfish charms on it. And I think it's really interesting. What they're promoting or focusing on here, they have this card for the Dragon Cord by Bead. And so they're saying it's a medium weight and made from quality 3-ply nylon cord that can be used for kumihimo, macrame, bead crochet, and stringing as well. And even better, it is made in the USA. So for subscribers, they gave us this. I love that shade. All right, so I'm going to start with that. Usually I start with the stash beads, but today I want to start with this wrap bracelet because, as you know, I am a bracelet lover. And so first up in this project, they tell us that we have some crystal bicones in 4mm, and that would be these beauties. I love this color, this blue. And it's in a Ziploc, which I love. So I can take them out for you guys and show you how they look. Aren't those pretty? I love the sparkle on them. Bicones always seem to have a really pretty sparkle. And of course, these are crystals. And so I love, love, love that color. On the bag, it tells us it is a light sapphire with an AB finish. Those are gorgeous. I love those. Here's one that tried to escape. All right, here we go. So that's that. Then we have some O beads. And I'm not going to open the bag. It's not Ziplocked. But you can see those O beads, just a thin O-shaped bead. Approximately 1 gram. And they tell us that the color is Crystal Labrador. Crystal Labrador. Full O beads. Okay, so that's that. They tell us they've given us 2 check glass faceted rounds, some 3mm ones and some 4mm ones. And so here are the 3mm ones. I'm loving these hues of blue, you guys. Remind you of water. And they say these are turquoise. So check glass faceted rounds, 3mm in turquoise. You see those? Very pretty. And then the other 4mm ones, I really, really love these. These are the check glass faceted rounds in 4mm, and these are tortoise fire. I love that. I love the tortoise. application to that bead. Love, love, love it. All right, so those are the 3 and 4 millimeter check glass rounds. And then they've given us some natural wood rondelles. I love wood jewelry, and I love the deep, rich color of this. So this is 3 by 5 millimeter wooden rondelles. Love, love, love those. Would not mind those in a larger size. Love some wood jewelry. So that's that. And then there's the S-line bead cord they talked about by Bead Tech, right? Bead Tech. And so I read the description about that before. So this is some S-line cord. It's nylon. All right. Tex 210. This is new Tex 210. 0.5 millimeter, which is nice because it'll fit through those, probably most beads. Unless they're very, very tiny and you need thread. But that's pretty good. And then there's this pewter button, and I can take that out and show it to you guys because it is in a Ziploc. Look at that. Nice construction, not too thick. See that? Pretty. You see that? Okay, it'd be nice for the closure. And then we have some charms, some pewter charms. They are starfish, and they are also in a Ziploc. Take those out so you guys can see those. Love it. Right? So those are pretty as well. Pewter. And so that's the yoga bracelet, you guys. They provide in their best bead box, in their bead boxes, a project, 2 in the larger one. And you can follow the instructions. They give you step-by-step instructions. They also give you a video that you can access if you are more of a visual learner. And you can get your instruction on how to make it, or you can make something of your own. But this is just a suggestion if you need further inspiration and just a nudge in that direction of what to make. And so I think that is awesome, you guys. Yoga bracelet. And of course, it fits with the theme of the Seaside Zen. All right, let's move along to Seaside Zen. Let's move along to the beads that they're sending you for your stash. And so they've included, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 little bags of beads for your stash. Now these beads are called piggy beads. Look like a little concave button. Let me get them out so you guys can see them. And I love this color. It is jade. Look at that. They kind of turn inward. A little cup or bowl and a concave. Cute. 2 holes. Piggy beads, you guys. Cute for your stash. Right? We're always building our stash. I have to go and buy some findings. We always need findings. But I find I don't have to search for other beads. I mean, if I see something that I like, then yeah, I'll go and get it. But I haven't been doing many hauls lately because some of the beads that we've been receiving in our subscriptions just have been great. I haven't really needed to go out and search for anything unless it's something specific. I'm looking for a particular color that I don't have. So here they've included, I like these too. These are pewter beads. These are 6 millimeter, ridged round. I like these. These are a nice spacer. You take them out so you guys can see. You see the detail on that, right? They're called ridged round. Those are nice. And they have a little weight to them too. Not bad. Next up is check glass fossil shells. I love these beads. And we can get in there, see them. I love the color on them. This green. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? They're telling us that these are pale turquoise travertine. Pale turquoise travertine colored fossil beads. Love those. I think I already have an idea what I want to do with them. Love those. All right. Next up, check glass rondelle 6x9. These are gorgeous. These are crystal travertine. Look at that. Can you see it? Let me see if I don't like to open these bags until I'm ready. Beads like to roll off of the table. Let's see, you guys. Let me get some scissors over here. Let's see. Cut like a little slit and maybe take a little few out to see. Let's see, because these are pretty. And I can't resist. Oh, look at. Nice. Nice. Put that right there. Put that back in there later. All right, so they're also sharing with us some Mayuki Delica beads 11 O's. These are so tiny. These are definitely for those of you who like to weave. All right, gorgeous though. They have a nice luster to them. The color is black, but it has a nice, shine. I can imagine that they would bring a little, pick up the light a little bit. Nice. Also, we have check glass Cali beads. That would be these, I'm assuming. Love this color again. Mine is kind of rubbed off, but I think it says jade. And so these are, again, Cali beads. These are 3-hole beads. Can you guys see that? They have 3 holes in them. And that color is jade. But they match, oh, this is jade as well. So they match these, right? So you could use them together in a nice project. Nice. Thanks, Potomac. Next up, 1 glass cabochon, 20 millimeters. Gorgeous, you guys. Look at. I'm gonna pull this one out, and luckily it is in a Ziploc. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Let's make sure it focuses. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous. Love it. And next up we have pewter daisy spacers. Never can have enough of these, right? I'm just gonna go ahead and add those to my little spacer bead collection where the daisy spacers are. Now these are, it doesn't tell us what size they are, but they're kind of small. These are maybe 2, maybe 3 millimeter. Doesn't say, but you can't ever have enough spacer beads. Next up, they are giving us 2 grams Potomac crystal drops, 3x5 millimeters. Gorgeous metallic blue iris. I love an iris. I love the blue iris, the green iris. I love that application on a bead. Let me take these out so you can see them. Look at that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Love them. Love that. I can't wait to use those. I'm going to use those in something. I already know. Pretty. Gorgeous. All right. What's up next? We have some Storm Duo beads. Okay, so these are 2-hole beads. Storm Duos in jet red luster metallic. Let me open them up. It says jet red, but I can't really see red on them. They look green. So let's see. Okay, so maybe a mislabel, because I don't see any red. They look like some type of metallic green. Gorgeous nonetheless, though. I'll still take them, right? All right, you guys. Those are some Storm Duos. Of course, because they have 2 beads. I like the little shape. Let's see. Mayuki, a gram of Mayuki triangles. Very tiny. Look at that. You guys see that? Okay. Very tiny, and they're telling us that this is matte patina. They do look like they have a patina on them. Very small, right? Very small. Very pretty. And then what they've done is they've sent a free gift of my Yuki 11 O's galvanized apricot gold. Apricot gold. Looks like rose. I've never heard of apricot gold. Right? Look like rose gold. It looks like rose gold. Nice gift. I will take a gift. Thank you. So there you have it, guys. That is Potomac's Best Bead Box. They've sent a wonderful yoga wrap bracelet. I love a bracelet, so I'm kind of excited about trying that S-line cord because I like the idea that I can still string them. Again, I'm not a weaver. God bless you for those of you who can, who have the patience for it. I don't, but I do enjoy putting together beautiful bracelets, necklaces, earrings, from simple to statement. And they all have their place in our jewelry box. So with that being said, you guys, thank you for joining me today. I have several new subscribers and I welcome any more. Please join, hit that subscription bell, hit the like button to let YouTube know that you enjoy the content that I put out, and that whenever I'm able to get on here that you support me, and I do appreciate that. So for those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming aboard. For those of you who have subscribed and been sticking with me this time, I certainly appreciate you. And as always, you guys, this is Potomac's Best Bead Box with Seaside Zen. Have a great day. Stay safe and stay positive.